We have a wonderful house actually that my husband and I bought when we were just newlyweds, and our realtor thought we were funny for buying a 4-bedroom house with no children. We're like, oh no, we'll fill it, that'll be fine. Sure enough, we wound up having more children than we had planned on, with our last being twins. So suddenly we were short a bedroom, and we finally got to the point where our twins are boy-girl, and our daughter needed her own room. It was not working sharing a room. So it was time to go ahead and give her her own room, and that's when we started trying to figure out what might be the most efficient way to give all of our kids their space, give us our own space. And we kind of concluded that either turning our basement into a bedroom or adding an addition was going to be the way we needed to go. We priced out a bunch of different contractors. We had some come by the house. A few of them didn't give the warm and fuzzy feeling, like we just didn't feel comfortable working with them. They didn't seem overly excited, or that we were even, of interest to them. One or two of them never gave us quotes. They're like, yeah, we'll give you a pricing estimate and come back. And months went by, we heard nothing. Everything with Cipriani was wonderful. They came by, we got just this warm feeling. They were excited. They wanted to be a part of our family, a part of our story, and adding the addition to our house. We knew it was going to be expensive. We knew it was going to be high. Numbers came in a little bit higher, I think, than we initially were prepared for, or at least my husband. And they were fantastic. They worked with us on lowering the number, figuring out a good design that still gave us the space that we wanted, more in the budget we were comfortable with. It worked out great. We actually ended up being able to do a master suite, get a bedroom and a bathroom, which with 4 kids, 3 of them being boys, and our daughter made a huge difference because now she gets her own bathroom. The boys can trash theirs, and we have our own space too, which is nice. So we didn't give Cipriani a whole lot of time to prepare for our project. I think we started meeting with them May, June timeframe, and we're hoping to start in the fall. Like, I wanted to try and have addition finished in time for the winter to set in so that we didn't have open spaces, cold air, all of that stuff going on. And it was perfect. We had everything lined up. We were great. We went off to Disney and it started to pour. So we got text messages saying, hey, we wanted to start, we wanted to open up the house. It's pouring rain, and I very much appreciated them not cutting a hole in my roof. I was very appreciative of Cipriani making the right choices, not starting too soon and causing more damage or more problems. And on top of that, they knew, we kind of lost a week, 2 weeks for demo. It set us significantly behind with that, and then weather coming. They brought in extra crews. Everybody came in full force, and it was phenomenal. I had neighbors driving by that were watching the construction, and all they could say was, that went up so fast. That was ridiculous. How did they do it that fast? And Jim, our project manager, wound up being our dog's favorite. He would come in every morning and couldn't start work because he needed to entertain Dash or play with Dash for a little bit before he got started. So everyone really just kind of became normal to have around and part of our family, part of the 2 or 3 months that it took to get everything built. We had a few hiccups, which I'm sure is normal, and I honestly expected more than we had. One of the days, some of the construction bled through into my older son's room and had some dust and some debris fall onto his bed. The amount of effort that went through to fix such a minor inconvenience was phenomenal. The quality of the work was there. It was phenomenal. Everything was done, and we wound up, even with the delay from the rain, I think we still wound up finishing 2 or 3 weeks ahead of schedule, which again meant we were done in time for Thanksgiving, for our twins' birthday, and to be able to move into our space and enjoy for Christmas, which was huge. We were hoping to be done in time for Christmas, to not have that additional chaos, and everything was perfect. The bathroom's phenomenal. I love having my space, my time. It's everything we wanted and more. And now I get to decorate it and make it our space.